This video will show you how to view and grade assignments submitted by students. Log into Moodle and go to the course you wish to grade, and in the Activities menu on the right side, click Assignments. In the Assignment column, select the assignment you wish to grade. There's only one assignment in this example. The grading summary shows some information such as participants, due date, and time remaining. Now click the View All Submissions button. You will see a list of class participants when they submitted the assignment or if it is overdue and by how much, along with a link to any file and/or comments that they have submitted. Note also this Edit pull-down, which gives you several special actions you can use for a student. Scroll right to see the File Submissions column and click on the file submitted. It will download and/or open for you to view. This can also be seen after you click the Grade button, which will give you a single student view, so you may want to do that first. When you are ready to set the student's grade, click the Grade button for that student. On the submission screen, you can view the student's submission, see and expand any comments the student made, enter the grade, and enter any feedback comments you want to provide to the student. At the bottom of the screen, you can set the Notify Students checkbox as you wish. If set to Notify, the student will be sent a notification if he or she did not disable notifications. Note that if you have previously edited this assignment and the gradebook set up to hide its grades, or hide until a certain date, the Notify Students setting will be ignored due to the setting in the gradebook. When finished with this student, click the Save and Show Next button to grade the next student. Note that if you want to grade just this one student, or if you are grading the last student in the list, click the Save button, then click your browser's back arrow to return to the All Submissions list. That's how you grade assignments in Moodle. Thank you.